Hello, everybody. This is Roger Kumar. I'm giving you a demo of a cancellation process for a ticket booking system where we have employees booking tickets in their offices, where they have all kinds of fun activities, and we have a few requirements from the client for this to happen in a certain way. So each employee can book only a certain number of tickets. In this case of Aaron, our employee from San Francisco, he has a limit of 8 tickets per month defined, and if he goes above that limit, a validation rule will stop him, but he can ask for a higher limit from his manager through an approval process. And if he books a ticket which is, let's say next month, it of course should not come here, it should not count in this quota. And every time he books a ticket, of course, the salary after deductions, it should take the price of the ticket from this amount. And if he decides to cancel a ticket, if the ticket is for the next 2 days, it should cut a cancellation percentage of the ticket from this amount as well. If it's in the future more than 2 days, it should not do that. And let's see how this works in the front end first, and later I will show you all the automation process that makes it work in the back end. Alright, let's book a ticket for Aaron now. Let's book something in the future. He wants to do this meditation the first of next month. We can here book whatever cancellation charge, we can define it here. The price for this ticket is $100. Let's see what happens when we book it. The 99,000, what's remaining in his salary. When we refresh it, we can see that $100 have been deducted from this amount, but this has not gone up. Let's book a ticket for this month. Zumba meditation. Aaron loves this activity and he wants to go. It's something new, combining dance and meditation together. And he books a ticket. You can see now again price cut off from the remaining salary, and this is increased. And Aaron remembers his friend that loves this activity too, and he wants to bring his friend. He forgets that he has a quota which has been fulfilled, 8 tickets this month, but he really wants to bring his friend and says he wants to book it, but no, it cannot happen. He has to submit for an approval from his manager, and he does not want to ask his manager for anything this time. His manager is already angry at him, so he has no other option but to cancel it. We can go into the approval process in a different video. Just let's look at this time. And he decides if he cannot bring his friend, he does not want to go either. So the way to cancel ticket right here is just say ticket status is cancelled, and let's see what that does to Aaron's salary. You can see $50 have been removed from Aaron's salary now because our charges were 50%, the cancellation charges, and this has gone back to 7, and that's what we needed to happen. So first of all, the validation process which prevented this from happening, it's a simple formula, you can see, but the main magic happens here. This is a multi-step ticket process builder on the ticket object, and what we will concentrate on is this condition right here. If the ticket is cancelled, which means that if the ticket status is changed to cancelled, what should happen, the immediate action is that salary after deductions should be set with this formula. It's a fairly simple formula, but a little bit of explanation here. Let's see. Since this date was pretty close by, what will happen is this condition is true, which is, since the start date of the fun activity on this ticket, the date value, this is actually a date time type of field, so we will only extract the date value of it and check whether, if that is less than 2 days away from today plus 2 days, and if it is true, the formula should execute this. If it is not true, the formula should execute this. So if it is true, the formula, what it will do is it will take the employee's salary after deductions, the current amount, and remove the cancellation charges multiplied by the ticket price, 50% of $100, which is $50, and it will deduct it from the current cancellation charges. And if it is not true, if this is not true, it will just keep the same value as it is. So as you can see, that worked and made the magic happen. I hope the explanation was clear to you. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. Please like the video if you liked it, and see you soon.